Well, I saw your question on, you made up this system yourself and you want to solve it using Cramer's rule. Okay, so you want to find x and y using Cramer's rule. You got 3x minus 2y equal -2 and 1x plus 2y equal 8. So the coefficients of x are 3 and 1. Coefficients of y are -2 and 2. That's what we have in each of these bottom determinants. Coefficients of x, 3 and 1. Coefficients of y, -2 and 2. As you can see here. The top determinant, I call this first column the x column. You want to put the constants, -2, 8, when you're solving for x. The other column should match the denominator. Here I'm solving for y, so in the y column, or the second column, I put the constants, the -2, 8. The other column should match the denominator. And that's kind of the pattern. How you set up the 2 by 2 determinants to solve for x and y. Now you just got to evaluate these determinants. If I start with the bottom, the 3 times 2 minus 1 times -2, and the numerator will be -2 times 2 minus 8 times -2. Then you work out the arithmetic. That'd be -4 plus 16. That'd be 6 plus 2. That's 8. And that'd be 12. 12 eighths. You can simplify that. Divide each of them by 4. You get 3 halves. When I go to evaluate this determinant, the denominator is the same as before. So I just put down 8. I'm not going to reevaluate it. In the numerator, you have 3 times 8 minus 1 times -2. That'll be 24 plus 2, 26 eighths. Divide each of them by 2, it'll be 13 fourths. So here's the answer in fraction form: 3 halves, 13 fourths. Or is a decimal, 1.5, 3.25. Hope that helps.